pretty girl is Raven, and boy is she a good looking girl. Raven was found as a lost cat, and she tested positive for FELV, and read her description to learn more about that virus. But it's a virus where she'll need to be an indoor only cat, and she will need to join either an FELV positive house or be the only cat, because it is transferable to other cats. It's not transferable to people or dogs, but the virus will spread to other cats. She is such a lover. She's not very old, probably just a big kitten. Gorgeous yellow eyes, just kind of a really light, almost green, beautiful coat, friendly disposition, just a great cat for someone. So if you're looking to only get one cat, this is your girl. So come on down to Rifle Animal Shelter and meet the lovely Raven. We're open every day from 8 to 5. We're located across the street from Rifle High School, and Raven would love to meet you, so come on by. Look at that. You need that.
I'm getting it.
It's a good cat. Good girl, pretty girl.